One Day Sports Cards here. Back to another break. Today I'm going to be doing Blaster Box, brand new 2015 Topps Chrome Baseball. There are the odds. So you can pause that. I'll show it again once I get the packaging off. But 7 packs, 8 packs total, 7 plus 1. 4 cards per pack. So let's get to it. Show you guys this again without the packaging. You can pause that if you want. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. Josh Harrison, Matt Harvey, Mike Trout, and Chase Utley. There are, I believe, 4 total variations this year. Not sure the print run on them. Trevor May, rookie. Kenny Vargas, Kyle Seager Prism, and George Springer. Prisms are really pretty. RJ Alvarez, and Yorman Rodriguez Refractor, rookie. Bonilla, rookie, and Yasiel Puig. Oh, an orange. Wow. I wonder if they're numbered this year. Eric Cordier, Lorenzo Cain, Rafael Yanoa, Norman Rodriguez. That is numbered. Wow. Orange refractor out of 25. Rookie, Yorman Rodriguez. Number 3 of 25. Nice. Orange refractor rookie. Oh, got the refractor of him too. Wow. I think that's the first orange refractor I've ever pulled from Chrome Blaster. Insert in this one. Carlos Gomez, John Singleton, Yorman Rodriguez. Oh, going for the rainbow. And these are nice. Gallery of Greats, Adam Jones. That is just the regular version. Insert. Miguel Cabrera, Jose Altuve Refractor. They don't say refractor on them this year, but you can tell by the rainbow. See that? Compare it to the Jake Lamb card. So this one's got the rainbow in it. That's a refractor. You get a lot of people asking how I can tell it's a refractor. Jake Lamb, rookie, and David Wright. Okay, last pack before the bonus pack, which is Sepia Refractors. Buck Farmer, rookie. Matt Kemp, upside down. I don't think that means anything. Matt Barnes, rookie, and Mark Teixeira. I don't think got any variations. Didn't look like it. Nah. Nope, no variations. I'll still double check just in case. And these are the Sepia. I don't think these are numbered. We'll find out. Mitch Moreland. These are nice. Pablo Sandoval. Craig Kimbrell. And King Felix. Felix Hernandez. Yeah, not numbered. Didn't think they would be, since you get one of these per blaster. But not bad. Considering I didn't get an autograph, that's actually not bad. The Sapias are really nice. That would be a neat set to build. Might be a little pricey. Main card being the Yorman Rodriguez Orange Refractor rookie card. Not a bad card. I'll take that. Out of 25, the odds. So I usually look up the odds on stuff like that when I pull them. Orange refractors are 1 in 383, right above my thumb. Oh, you can get superfractors. Wow, printing plates. Base image variation, 1 in 766. So, pretty hard to get. Autographs, 1 in 100 and... Where is it? I saw it earlier. You guys probably already found it by now. 1 in 137. Yep. But not bad. I'll take it. That's 2015 Topps Chrome Baseball. Probably the best Chrome Blaster I think I've ever opened. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for my next video.